Good morning, children. Today we are making a beautiful lotus. Take 3 A4 size paper, 2 paper same color, 1 paper another color. Cut 12 pieces, measurement 7 cm width and 30 cm length. 8 pieces petal, 4 pieces leaf. Petal pieces fold. Center fold, open, 4 corner fold into center. Four corner fold into center and this edge and this edge fold into center. Outside folding. 8 paper, same method. Leaf paper fold, center fold, open, 4 corner fold into center. And this edge and this edge fold into center. And inside fold paper 4 pieces. One inside fold paper, leaf paper and petal paper, and another petal paper. 1 leaf pieces, 2 petal pieces. All pieces arranged and 1 rubber band